అందరికీ శుభోదయం. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sukar. CPC class. Yesterday, we have been discussing at length regarding Order 21, which is having 106 rules. And I told you that it can be divided into. So, there is a routine procedure of the so-called execution, then stay, then arrest and detention. Of course, arrest and detention even before judgment, attachment before judgment, and which properties can be attached, what cannot be, as per section 60 of the CPC. And thereafter, we have gone to the part of attachment, what types of properties can be attached, and if you attach the perishable goods, what to do. If it is immovable property, what to do. If it is movable property, okay, no problem, like that. And the procedure of attachment, where you have to attach the property, how the notice of attachment should be served. Then we went to the sale. So, sale for movable, of course, you know, it is 7 days, and for removable, 15 days time should be given for the auction. And the actually sentimental value also will be taken, and emotional quotient will also be taken into consideration by the court. Suppose you say and request the court, sir, my mother is much attached to this house, we don't want to sell it, we will pull up some money, please give some time. Yes, 92, rule 92, yes, they will give time. Likewise, you can raise objection anytime in 97, 96, like that. But Honorable Supreme Court of India held that when once the auction sale is confirmed, when once auction sale is being done, having come to know about the same, you cannot put any objection. You cannot challenge the same on the grounds of irregularity or fraud without availing the previous opportunity. You should have raised these objections before the auction is completed. After the auction is completed, what is the purpose of coming under Order 21 Rule 96? No, not allowed. అంటే సహజంగా ఆక్షన్కి ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను 15 రోజులు టైం ఉంటుంది. పబ్లిక్ ఆక్షను, పబ్లిక్ నోటీస్ పెడతారు. అప్పుడు ఏదైనా అబ్జెక్షన్ ఉంటే పెట్టాలి, కానీ ఆక్షన్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఫ్రాడ్ అని, ఇరెగ్యులారిటీ అని ఆర్డర్ 2196కి వస్తే నో, ఇట్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ ప్రొట్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది కేసు కావాలని చెప్తున్నారు. ఫ్లిమ్జీ గ్రౌండ్స్ కొట్టి వదలు పడేశారు సుప్రీం కోర్ట్. GR Selvaraj, he is deceased versus and through LRs. GR Selvaraj died through LRs versus K.J.Prakash Kumar and others. Civil appeal number 8887 by 2011. I'm sorry. Decided on 25th November 2025, just yesterday, by 2 judges bench, Justice Sanjay Kumar and Alok Arathe of the Honorable Supreme Court of India, in which the bench held that the JDR cannot assail an auction sale at a belated stage. You cannot challenge it at a belated stage, particularly in the EP level. And once the sale is allowed, and the petition under Order 21 Rule 96 Clause 3 CPC is not allowed. Why? Because JDR has a prior chance. JDR has a prior opportunity to raise objections before the proclamation of the sale. Coming to the facts of the case, so it relates to OS number 9158 by 1995 of the City Civil Court, Chennai. So actually the decree was excparte decree. Excparte decree was issued on 12/9/2002 when the parties were not present. Right. Then the ex parte decree was challenged before the court. After ex parte, then what happened is they have gone for the EP. They have gone for the EP. Then these fellows once again in EP also they were declared ex parte. Manoda asalu eppudu court ki vellatledu, ex parte. Then the sale was about to be confirmed. At that point of time, these persons raised an objection that the sale cannot be done. So they have approached the High Court, and High Court on 10/2/2009 they have invalidated the so-called sale. Right? So later this Selvaraj, who is the auction purchaser, he approached the Supreme Court. When once the auction is complete, what is the purpose of High Court interfering? The interference of the High Court is not correct. That is what the Honorable Supreme Court said. Because, please remember, EP was not challenged. Ex parte. Decree was not challenged. When the matter came for the sale, and when the sale is completed on 12/9/2002 for highest bidder GR Selvaraj for 11 lakhs, and sale certificate was also given to him on 10/1/2003. What is the purpose of coming to the court in the later stage? It's not correct. JDR failed to get the EP or to get the ex parte decree set aside in the initial stage. So please remember, now you cannot come under Order 9. That is fraud or irregularity. Basing on the very famous case of Ambati Narsaya versus M. Subbarao and others, 1989. So the appeal is allowed and the auction is held to be correct. కొంచెం క్రిటికల్గా ఉంటుంది, జాగ్రత్తగా అర్థం చేసుకోండి, ఈజీగా అర్థం అవుతుంది. సిపిసి కేసులు కాబట్టి. సో ఒకసారి సేల్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నువ్వు మొదట్లో ఎవెన్యూస్ అన్నీ వదులుకొని లాస్ట్లో అబ్జెక్షన్ పెడితే కుదరదు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.